What's up, YouTube? Coming at you today with another Milwaukee M12 tool review. Today I've got the 3/8 Electric Ratchet. Now this is going to take the place, maybe, of my trusty Blue Point air ratchet. Nice thing about this is cordless, or air hoseless. This always had an air hose dangling off it that I'd be worried about scratching the car. So let's take a look at this thing. All right, so this is everything that comes in the box. Not this, just this, the tool and an owner's manual. There's that. Quick specs on this. This is a 3/8 ratchet, so it's got a forward and reverse switch right here, like you'd expect. Little paddle deal right there, and like I said, M12 tool, so we'll slide that in. This can deliver 35 foot-pounds of torque, forward and reverse. Even has a lock, safety lock, that I'm having a hard time getting undone with my gloves. There you go. And as expected, a fuel gauge for the battery and fork light. Dimensionally, about the same size as my other 3/8 ratchet. And like I said, this is probably gonna take the place of my air ratchet, which is nice because that air hose always sketched me out. I always thought I was gonna scratch a car dragging that air hose over, a fender or a hood or something. I mean, I'm still gonna hold on to this. This is a nice tool, but I like how this is cordless. Oh, weight-wise, they're about the same with the battery installed and about the same balance. What else? Oh, stalled it. Pretty fun. All right, let's go try this thing out. There you have it. That's the Milwaukee M12 Electric Ratchet. And overall, yeah, I really like this thing. It's definitely a welcomed addition to my toolbox. I like that it's cordless, no more air hose to drag over a fender of a car. So we removed the exhaust manifold and 4 bolts of a engine mount, and I'm at 3 out of 4 bars on the battery gauge. So I think that's reasonable. Yeah, I'm impressed with it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.